Yo, what's going on, guys? Andrew Ross here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Last week, we did an unboxing. Was it last week? Hold on. So 2 weeks ago, we did a competition. Well, it's been running for the last 2 weeks. It was a competition to win that brand new MV Galaxy, that Galaxy Blue that just came out, along with the matching Slimline Pro. And if you knew about this competition, I appreciate you for creating all that fun content and the dope videos that I've seen on Instagram. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to give you guys my winner. But first, I want to go over and kind of just watch some of the videos that were put out, show these guys some love for participating in the competition. I just want to critique and watch some of these videos. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and run that intro. All right, so the brand new Galaxy MV-Li with the Slimline to match it. Beautiful combination. We did a competition last week using the hashtag GalaxyRaws on Instagram, and we had a bunch of people submit. I want to go through and watch these videos and critique these videos and tell you guys what I like, what I don't like, and how we can better our content, and maybe I can learn something from you guys on this one. So let's go ahead and jump over to Instagram and see what we got. All right, so let's jump on into our first video. This is going to be by P-Rod7. He's actually from Jacksonville, Details Barbershop, and he did about a 9-minute video. I'm going to skim through it. I don't want to waste a lot of time on just watching these videos, but I do want to show you guys some love and watch the videos. One thing that I did see with this one is he used a magic clip, which I specifically asked just to use Andis tools, but I see he's using an Andis brush, so we're going to see what other tools he pulls out and see what this video is about. I like the orange gloves matching the blade. That's pretty cool. I always try to find like the colored gloves for my videos because I feel like they stand out. So I was hoping he was going to pull out a Andis trimmer, but looks like he's using another brand trimmer. You know what I really like about this video is the angles. I like it's almost his vision of what he's doing. Probably set up with a tripod or a monopod. So he's going through the whole process, the enhancements, adding that pencil. I love when barbers use that pencil. I want to see if he's going to blend it out and fade it out. Because I don't really like when a lot of barbers use the pencil, but then they just leave it. But it looks like he's going over it with the trimmers to trying to kind of blend it out to hold those enhancements in place. I do like personally using the pencil because it gives you that contrast that you're looking for. I just like when barbers make it look more like natural, which we're going to see at the end of this video how it turns out. But so far, this is a great video. I like the transitions. I like that you're not shying away from using the enhancements and doing what it is that you do. A lot of times people try to say that they don't use enhancements, and you can tell in their videos that they do. They just don't show the process of how to apply the enhancements. So that's dope. Yeah, so he went ahead and went back over the pencil with the razor to get that line out, but still leave a little bit of ash line. So that way it does create that contrast between the dark of the hair dye and the lightness of the pencil. So it's going to make that hairline really pop. I'm really enjoying that part of this video. Another thing I really like about this video is how there's no distractions in the video. Like the lens that he's using, everything that he did with this video, he made it so it's cropped in and there's no distractions in what he's doing. You're watching him do the haircut step by step. There's nothing in the video that's like distracting you, like clients in the background, you know, people, other barbers, whatever it is that's in the shop. You know, it's not distracting you away from what it is that he's trying to market. Oh yeah, he even put the 2 parts in the eyebrow with the razor. I like it, man. It's really dope content. I just think it's a little long for my liking. Like, I like to just get straight to the point, especially on Instagram. I can see if you're filming for YouTube and you want to make it a little bit longer, but for Instagram, my suggestion would be just making it to where it's a little shorter so people actually watch it all the way through. I think you would have a lot more views and a lot more engagement, but the content is great. Just a suggestion, you know. And if you are filming for YouTube, that's great because you got all that video to post up on YouTube. But for Instagram, I like to keep it nice and short. People don't have that attention span that they used to. I like the content to be nice and short for Instagram. And then I'll post like the longer videos like this right up on YouTube. And there it is, the final result. That's dope, man. That's a clean taper. And the music is nice and hype. Dope, man. Shout out to you, man. P-Rod7 at Details Barbershop, Jax Beach. That's dope. That was a dope video, man. Appreciate you submitting. Now let's go on to this next one and see what else we got on here. I'm going to click on where I see the cover is the Andis tool. So Von Fades. Let's check this out. This is the before. There it is, the Andis Master to start. Oh, even through the Galaxy Raws. The hashtag in there. That's pretty dope. And that's the after. Short, simple, to the point. Some nice clipper over comb work in the back to finish off the final touches. And then I love the way that he added that logo to the end. And just a before and after. Quick video. Dope, man. Vaughn, I appreciate you, bro. That's a dope video. All right, so this one's from the ugly Duckling studio. And this is like a time lapse. I like these time lapses. I just can never get them right. I don't like how much space they take up on my phone or my camera, so I just don't do them. But I do love when barbers use the time lapse and show you the whole before and after throughout the whole cut. And used a lot of the Andis tools in the video, and the haircut looks dope. I really like that V in the back. I got my son rocking that right now. And then I really like how they added that texture on top using the blow dryer. That was dope. I think the finishing work on this one was really, really good, really clean. So again, the ugly Duckling studio, I appreciate you submitting. All right, so this video is from Ram The Barber. Oh, he had the copper master. That's crazy. That's one of my favorites. I used it for a little while, but then I put it back in the box. I like collecting them, and I knew how limited that tool is. So if you still got the box for that, I suggest putting that one away. And this is just cleaning the tools. You know, you got to make sure you're taking care of your tools. This is also making sure you're cleaning after every client, making sure you're spraying it down with that cool care and oiling your tools properly. I love this video, man. I like the information behind it. Ram The Barber, appreciate you tuning in and subscribing and joining the competition. So now we got another one from the ugly Duckling studio and another time lapse cleaning a hot towel. I love the hot towel. I can't even cut hair without the hot towel. I love using a hot towel with that straight razor. It just gives that client that certain level of comfort, and it just adds to the service. Great haircut, great video, time lapse, but then also slowed it down at the end. That was a great video. All right, let's see this one from that Harris 434, and he's already got the Galaxy Blues. So he went ahead and used the actual tool that we're giving away and did. This little kid is so cute. That's awesome, man. Got him right. Yeah, so he went ahead and used the actual Galaxies. I see you already got them. You jumped ahead. I like it. This is a dope video. And this little dude was the perfect model for this video. That's awesome, man. He got him fresh. All right, so those are the ones that I selected to watch over. I really enjoyed those videos. That was dope. So my winner is going to have to be Von Faze with this video where he used the Andis Master, and then he actually threw that Galaxy Raws hashtag on there. I might have to steal it. I might need that logo from you, bro. That was really dope. And just the cleanness of the design, I do like how he put the flare over the transition. That's something that I enjoy doing in my videos, where I do my overlays and make the transitions flow. But I just love the fact that he used that hashtag Galaxy Raws at the end. And it was just short, sweet, to the point. And he used all the Andis tools. He followed all the rules. Von Faze, congratulations, man. All right, y'all. So there you have it, man. That concludes this video. I know it was short, quick. I just wanted to show you guys what people did on YouTube, show some people some love on the channel, and shout you guys out for joining the competition. Von Faze, congratulations, man. I need that logo from you, though. That was dope, bro. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know what you guys want to see from the channel up next. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.